Now next, in second unit test, you are having in algebra, that is linear simultaneous equation. What is this? First, you know that the equation is in the general form of equation ax plus by plus c equals to 0, where a and b not equals to 0 is called a linear equation. Linear equation in two variables. Here x and y are unknown in two variables. Clear? And what is simultaneous linear equations? Now there are two equations, a1x plus two different equations, a1x plus b1y plus c1 equals to 0, and a2x plus b2y plus c2 equals to 0. These two linear equations together is called simultaneous linear equations in two variables, x and y are unknown. Clear? And in your syllabus it is that solving of simultaneous linear equations. Clear? There are different methods of solving of simultaneous linear equations. One is comparison method, another is elimination method, that you know already from class 8, and then third one is substitution method, and fourth one is cross multiplication method. Clear? Now first, before starting that, I will say by comparing the coefficients that how to say these equations are solvable or not. Clear? Now first point is that a1x plus b1y plus c1. a1 is the coefficient of x, b1 is the coefficient of y, and c1 is the constant term. Similarly, in second equation, a2 is the coefficient of x, b2 is the coefficient of y, and c2 is the constant term. Now if we will get that a1 by a2 equals to b1 by b2 not equals to c1 by c2. If this situation will come, I will explain you afterwards with example. Then the equations not solvable. If this case will arise, not solvable. That means from graph we have seen that two straight lines will not meet. If they will not intersect or they will not meet, we will not get any solution. Clear? So if this is the condition, a1 by a2 equals to b1 by b2 not equals to c1 by c2, we will get from any two equations, then you can write that these two equations are not solvable. And second is that, second point, if a1 by a2 not equals to b1 by b2. Clear? When this not equals to, that means in this case the graph of two straight lines will intersect, so we will get the solution. So it is possible, solvable. That means after solve we will get the solution, solvable. Clear? This is my second condition. And third one is a1 by a2 equals to b1 by b2 equals to c1 by c2. In that case, we will get infinite number of solutions. That means it is solvable. Otherwise, the solution will not come. But here we will get only single solution, and here infinite number of solutions. So these are three conditions. Clear? Now with example I am explaining. See, everything you will get in PDF, from there you will copy. Okay, suppose there is given this one example. For example, 2x plus 3y equals to 6, one linear equation. Another is 3x plus 2y equals to minus 1. Clear? We have to find out, examine whether the following simultaneous equations are solvable or not. Clear? Here, first we have to find out what is my A1, what is my A2. Here A1 means from first equation, that is equation number 1 and that is equation number 2. Coefficient of x. Here A1 is 2, A2 from second equation A2 is 3. Clear? Here B1 is 3, B2 is 2. Okay. Here it is written, this is not given in general form, so we have to change it in that form. That means we have to write minus 6 equals to 0 and that will be 2y plus 1 equals to 0. So from there we will get C1. C1 is minus 6 and C2 is 1. Clear? Now here A1 by A2. A1 by A2 is 2 by 3. Clear? And B1 by B2, it is 3 by 2. So obviously 2 by 3 and 3 by 2 not same. So from here, I am cleaning this part. From here, what we can write as A1 by A2 not equals to B1 by B2. Clear? A1 by A2 not equals to B1 by B2. So by second condition, these two equations are solvable. Clear? These two equations are solvable. Then another example. I am writing 5x by 5x plus 6y equals to 11 given. So at the same time I am writing it in the, I have converted it in the general form, equals to 0. That is by equation number 1. Second one, 10x plus 12y minus 22 equals to 0. Then first step will be, you have to find out A1, A2. Your A1 is 5, A2 is 10. B1 is 6, B2 is 12. C1 is minus 11, negative sign also you have to consider. Clear? Now, what is your A1 by A2? That means 5 by 10 equals to half. What is your B1 by B2? 6 by 12, that is also half. C1 by C2, minus 11 by minus 22, minus cancelled out, 1 by 2. So you have noticed here all are same, half, half, half. So what we are getting as A1 by A2 equals to B1 by B2 equals to C1 by C2. So if the condition is that, then we know the equations are solvable, but we will get infinite number of solutions. That means in this case, if we draw the graph of both the equations, then we see that the two straight lines will coincide. So we will get many solutions. So your answer will be solvable and we will get infinite number of solutions. Clear? In this way you have to check whether the equations are solvable or not. It may come in MCQ part, not in MCQ part, it will come in SAQ part. Clear? Now next I will explain how to solve by different methods. That you will get in next video.